excited tone. Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Are you struggling to transfer your USDT from OKX to Binance? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to make your transfer smooth, safe, and hassle-free. Let's dive in. First, log into your OKX wallet. If you're using the seed phrase, make sure to enter it carefully and securely. Once you're in, confirm your USDT balance and ensure you're ready to transfer. Before transferring, check which network your USDT is on, ERC20, TRC20, or BEP20. This step is crucial because using the wrong network could result in losing your funds. Now log into your Binance account. Head over to Wallet, and then Spot Wallet, and click Deposit. Choose USDT, then select the same network as your OKX wallet. Copy the deposit address. Go back to your OKX wallet, select USDT, and click Send. Paste the Binance deposit address and ensure the selected network matches. Enter the amount you want to transfer and double-check the details before confirming. Once you confirm, the transaction will be processed. The time it takes depends on the network you selected, but it usually takes just a few minutes. Check your Binance wallet to ensure the funds have arrived. And that's it. Your USDT is now safely transferred to Binance. If this video helped you, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more crypto guides, and leave your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy trading.